My name is Éabha Hughes and I'm a PhD applicant in the School of Education. I'm hoping to do research on using negotiated integrated curriculum to figure out what are the essentials for education in democratic societies. And I'll be working with second level students to co-construct learning around their concerns, which has a huge focus on sustainable development goals. Sustainable Shores, Ireland's Life Below Water is a project that uses education and citizen science to help tackle Goal 14, Life Below Water in Ireland, through biodiversity monitoring workshops, ecosystem monitoring workshops, conducting ecological assessments of the university, and through the creation of a book and website. This project hopes to increase awareness of Goal 14, awareness of what the targets of Goal 14 are, and what are the realistic solutions that individuals and communities and businesses, institutes, everything can take to actually reach Goal 14. So ever since I was a kid, I've always been extremely passionate about marine and freshwater life. And I think what fascinates me is just the incredible biodiversity that is below the surface of our waters. And oftentimes, I think people don't realize the incredible biodiversity that is there in our freshwater lakes and streams, our ponds, our rivers, and in every rock pool along the coast. And what really inspired me to do this project is that in my own lifetime, species that I would have seen, every single time you go to the seashore, species that used to be common are now disappearing at an alarming rate. And I have seen species that would have featured hugely in my childhood, I can no longer find them at the coast. So I think for me, that's really highlighted the scale of biodiversity loss that we're facing. The book part of this project originally started as part of my FYP with my supervisor, Dr. Audrey O'Grady. And the goal of that was to develop a book that I could use to teach secondary school students seashore ecology. And from that, and through the incredible opportunity of the Sustainability Challenge, I've been able to turn that book into a comprehensive guide to Ireland's biodiversity, ecology, and sustainability. So to date, Sustainable Shores has been able to conduct a full ecological assessment of the University of Limerick's freshwater habitats. We've been able to gather data on what kind of species are present and whether or not those habitats are at risk of pollution. We've been able to use this data to build a baseline for future assessments, and it's being used to inform policy around the University of Limerick. We've also looked at eliminating unsustainable practices around campus, and one of the core goals of this project was to publish the book Sustainable Shores, Ireland's Life Below Water. The images in the book are all mine. I've spent thousands of hours along rivers and streams and along the coast in Ireland taking pictures of these creatures. And what I really hope to show people is that you don't have to go to the Great Barrier Reef to see brightly coloured fish. They are in our rock pools and they're in our streams. It feels absolutely incredible to be a finalist in the Sustainability Challenge. And to me, it means that the university is really and truly invested in becoming a regenerative university, in getting our green campus accreditation, in protecting and strengthening the ecosystems that we have on our campus. I think if Sustainable Shores won the challenge, I don't know what I'd say. I'd be incredibly honoured. To 5-year-old me, it would mean that her favourite rock pools are now being protected and that people are caring about what she cared about when she was 5 years old.